Good day, everyone. My name is Mary Villera, your teacher for today, and I'll be going to discuss the classification of triangles according to sides and angles. But before we formally start our lesson for today, here are our objectives. Classify triangles according to sides and angles. Measure the sides and angles of a triangle and cite significant application of triangles in real life. Alright, so let's watch and sing along with the song of triangles. After watching it, answer the following questions that I have here.
Isosceles triangles have two equal sides. Like this mountain we're about to climb. And since one angle's over 90 degrees, an obtuse triangle is what we see. If you add up every angle, there are 180 degrees in a triangle. If the length is equal on every side, say it's equilateral like this roadside. And since every angle's less than 90 degrees, an acute triangle it will also be. If you add up every angle, there are 180 degrees in a triangle. Skateboard ramps are your scene, with three different sides they're called scalene. That triangle would also be called right if a 90-degree angle is inside. If you add up every angle, there are 180 degrees in a triangle.
There are two ways to classify triangles, by their sides and their angles. Like sails out on the high seas, can't be right or isosceles. Or look at the foot of this goose, it's scalene and obtuse. When you break the pool balls with the cube, they're equilateral and acute.
If you add up every angle, there are 180 degrees in a triangle.
You've already watched the video, so now let's answer these questions. So what are the triangles mentioned in the song? Alright, so the song mentions right triangles and isosceles triangles. Very good. So what are the angles mentioned in the song? Alright, the song mentions acute angles and right angles. Very good. Alright. Next, describe in one sentence the triangles and angles. Okay, so the song describes and the properties of right and isosceles triangles as well as acute and right angles. Very good, class. Right, so now let's discuss the classification of triangles according to its sides and angles. The basis of length of the sides, triangles are classified into three categories: the scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. The basis of measurement of the angles, triangles are classified into three categories. It is the acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. The first one, on the basis of length of the sides, the first category is scalene triangle. So a scalene triangle is a type of triangle in which all three sides have different sides measure. Due to this, the three angles are also different from each other. Right, so as what you have seen here in the picture, let's say for example that this side is measured 9 centimeters and this side is measured 15 centimeter and this side is measured 16 centimeters. So as what you have seen, they have different measure in their sides or the length of its sides, and it has different angles. That's what you can see here in the picture. And also here in this picture, which is the slice of the bread, it has different measure of its sides. So it is an example of scalene triangle. Alright? Right, so now let's proceed to the second category, which is the isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides have equal length. The two angles opposite to the two equal sides are also equal to each other. So what you have seen here, okay, so as what you have seen here, this side are equal. It is equal, and also this angle or these two angles are also equal to each other. And also as what you have seen here on the next picture, these sides are equal, and it has also equal angle. All right, okay. So the third category on the basis of length of the sides of a triangle is equilateral triangle. So an equilateral triangle has all three sides equal to each other. So due to this, all the internal angles are of equal degrees of, like for example, of each is of the angles is 60 degrees. Alright, so as what you have seen here on the picture, all sides are equal, and this angle is also equal to each other. Like what you have seen here, it is a warning sign. So this triangle is an example of equilateral triangle since it has the same length of the sides and also its angle. All right, okay, so now let's proceed on the measurement of the angles. So the first category is acute angled triangle. So an acute triangle has all of its angle is less than 90 degrees. It has less than 90 degrees here, and also here it is a road sign. It also have less than 90 degree angle. Right, so this is an example of acute angled triangle. The next one, or the second category of triangle on the basis of the measurement of the angle, is right angled triangle. So in a right triangle, one of the angles is equal to 90 degree or right angle, as what you have seen on the first picture. Right, as what you have seen on the first picture, it has a 90 exact 90 degree angle, and also here on the second picture, which is a ruler, it has a 90 degree angle. So it is an example of right angled triangle. Lastly, the third category of on the basis of measurement of the angles of a triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So an obtuse triangle has any of its one angles is more than 90 degree. As what you have seen here, it is more than 90 degree, and also it has the same shape. It is also greater than 90 degree. All right, it is an example of obtuse angled triangle. Now, I have here some questions. So, what are the three categories of a triangle according to its sides? Anyone? Okay, so it is scalene, isosceles, and equilateral triangle. Very good. The next question is, what are the three categories of a triangle according to its angle? Yes, very good. It is acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Alright, very good. Last question. What is the significant applications of triangles in real life? Alright, triangles have significant application in various fields of study and aspects of daily life, including architecture, engineering, navigation, art and design, and sports. So triangles are very important in our life. So now, to test your understanding about our lessons for today, let's have some activity. Direction. Match column A with column B. Number 1. It has any of its one angles more than 90 degrees. Okay, it is letter F, obtuse angle. Number 2. It has all three sides equal to each other. Okay, it is letter C, equilateral triangle. Number 3. It has two sides have equal length. Yes, letter B, isosceles triangle. All the three sides have different sides measure. Okay, it is letter A, scalene triangle. Lastly, one of the angles is equals to 90 degree. Okay, it is letter E, right angle. Okay, so who got a perfect score? Very good. So, alright. So thank you everyone for listening. You may have a great day. Goodbye.